Tired of manually transferring Facebook leads and losing valuable time? Let's automate that tedious task. First, ensure you have a Facebook lead at form set up and collecting the information you need. Make sure you've run a test lead. That way, the fields are available when you connect to Zapier. Next, confirm your Zoho CRM account is active and ready to receive leads. Log in and familiarize yourself with the leads module, where the new leads will appear. Now, head over to Zapier and click the Create Zap button. This is where the magic happens. Search for and select Facebook lead ads as your trigger app. This tells Zapier what event starts the automation. Connect your Facebook account to Zapier. You may be asked to grant Zapier permissions to access your Facebook pages and ad accounts. Choose the specific Facebook page and lead ad form you want to connect to Zoho CRM. This ensures only leads from that particular form are transferred. Test the trigger to make sure Zapier can successfully pull data from your Facebook lead ad form. This step verifies a connection is working. Now, select Zoho CRM as your action app. This is where you tell Zapier where to send the Facebook leads. Connect your Zoho CRM account to Zapier. You'll likely need to provide your Zoho CRM credentials and grant Zapier access to your account. This is the crucial step. Map the fields from your Facebook lead ad form to the corresponding fields in your Zoho CRM leads module. For instance, map the full name field from Facebook to the first name and last name fields in Zoho. Make sure that you have the correct fields mapped to ensure the information is going to the correct place in your CRM. Test the action to send a sample lead from Zapier to your Zoho CRM. Verify that the lead appears correctly in your Zoho CRM account. Finally, turn your Zap on. From now on, every new lead captured through your Facebook lead ad will automatically be added to your Zoho CRM, saving you time and improving your lead management process.